Hello and welcome. My name is Shane Dalton. You've made it to my YouTube page, my YouTube video. I appreciate you. Enjoy watching. I call this piece Looking Towards Arizona. It is sideways right now. We'll be setting it up here in a second so you can see it in its full glory. If you're familiar with the channel, you know that I live stream all my paintings, so subscribe, hit all the necessary buttons and bells so that I will be seeing you on the next live stream, which of course happens Thursday, 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and Saturday, 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. See you there.